You have no respect for my hearing. Ice cream, oh my god, I'm so excited. Yay, so excited. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Jamilah and today I'm going to ROLLZ Ice Cream. Right now I'm in the car and I'm on my way there and I'm with my mom because I don't have my license. And I don't know how to drive. So my mom is driving me to ROLLZ Ice Cream and I'm going to try rolled up ice cream for the very first time. Yay, so excited. And I see that you turned the volume back up to 13 after I put it down to 10. You have no respect for my hearing.
If my hearing is fine, you're fine. Your hearing all right.
So we are here. We are at the ROLLZ Ice Cream. Very excited. Just gonna wait for those people to leave and then we're gonna go inside and get some ice cream. Oh my god, I'm so excited! Okay guys, so I just got my rolled ice cream. Let's see. Okay, so this is my rolled ice cream. I'm gonna try it. I got Oreo, and I think they put a little chocolate in it, so this is cookies and cream Oreo. I got marshmallows and gummy bears and sprinkles because I love sprinkles, as you know. I love sprinkles. It definitely tastes like cookies and cream. So obviously rolling the ice cream really doesn't do anything for the flavor, but it's just really cool to watch how they like mash it up and roll it and everything. It was so cool. It's so satisfying to watch. Really satisfying to watch rolled ice cream be made. And so it really just tastes like cookies and cream ice cream. It's really good. Mom, you got mint chocolate chip, right? How does yours taste?
Tastes good. Like mint chocolate chip.
You just got sprinkles and brownies on yours?
And boba.
Oh, boba.
Actually, it's not that bad.
I've never had boba.
Me neither. I'm still not entirely
I'm not sure what boba is either. Comment down below if anyone knows what boba is. Let me know. Maybe my next adventure will be trying boba for the first time because I really want to try it, but I've never tried it before.
Isn't that what they put in bubble tea?
Mm-hmm. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. This ROLLZ ice cream, really good. If you want to get some ROLLZ ice cream, I highly suggest it. It's really great experience. There's one in Brampton, Ajax, and Toronto. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, this mini food review / ice cream mukbang. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already. Okay, thanks. Bye.